Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're gonna be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. And the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income every single month. Get 80%. That's the best program to promote, guys, on the internet. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday. To be fair, guys, I want to mention something. I have not been posting. I've not been doing this method the last couple of days. I've been having some real world issues, and I just hadn't had the time to like sit down and do this because I just been had some scares. Let me put it like that. Had some scares this week that kind of put me on the idea of how much time I actually got out here, you know. Let me put it like that. And yeah, I just ain't been posting. I haven't been doing it, so it made sense I haven't got sales the last couple of days. But anyway, guys, we finna get back into it. We're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna keep on moving. All right, so I already know I didn't get sales. I don't need to check. I already know. So we're gonna get back to it. So you guys, the method I'm gonna show you guys to make money with this program here is pretty easy to do. Very simple, very quick. Doesn't take that much time once you get in, and that's what make this real easy to understand. And before I get started, you gotta get your links. All right. For the $25 business. Now this is the link that I use in particular. The one I use, in case you guys are interested, all of these should work, but this is the one I use. All right, you guys are interested. So first thing first, you want to go to my link in the description. The first link gonna say step 1, step 2, something like that. Should be incomespeech.com. Click on that link. It's gonna take you to this page. Now this is the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, blah blah blah, right? Essentially it's a funnel builder, and it's actually a pretty good funnel builder. It's only $25 per month for any funnel you want, you know, while other funnel builders have a bunch of limitations on them, but that's neither here nor there. We here for the affiliate program, all right? And that's 80% income. Now this is what you can make. You can get $20 per month and $100 per month on each customer, guys. Fantastic. All right, so yeah, you either way, man, you just want to try this out, look it over, click on yes I want in, and it'll take you to the page where you can put in all your information to get the product, right? Now one thing I want to mention, you can get this 14-day HBA premium, guys, when you use my link. You can get that, and that's gonna give you you know, official training on how to promote this on different websites and stuff. I would recommend you do start doing that, but it teaches you how to do it all on any website you want to do, you know, like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, blah blah blah, right? It teaches you how to promote this product. It's constantly updated. Rules change and really kind of shut down some moves that you made years ago that won't work now, you know. It has an AI content creation machine as well, all right, to help you with content. Okay, so you get all of that, but the main reason we want this is because if you get a sale with this particular product, HBA Premium, you will get $100, even though you don't technically own the product, guys. It's just a fantastic deal. It really gets you in the dough, you know. So anyway, guys, yeah, you get that, right? And now you need a way to promote this. I'm gonna show you y'all the easiest way, absolute simplest way to promote this that I've ever found. We're gonna go with it. All right, so guys, we're gonna click in like this. Go to the second link in my description. It's gonna take you to this page. This is My Lead Gen Secret. Once you log in, what is My Lead Gen Secret? Basically, you get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day, guys. So you're gonna log in like I just did, make your account, whatever, right? And you're gonna go to a mailing system here. And you're gonna click on all your leads like this. And basically what you want to do It's just grab your next email here. What was the last one okay. We're just gonna go down to one after that one. 24 right here. All right, so got our email. Just that simple. That's the email right there, already in there. Gonna hit perfect timing, and we're gonna hit preview. So in case you guys want to copy the email, I don't mind at all. This is totally fine. I just want to be able to show you guys how to get started with this system so you can start making money on your own. I hit unlock the secret of my success right here. I'm hitting that just to make sure my link and just checking to see if it'll go through, because if it doesn't go through, that means that the people that get your email can't click through and buy your product. All right, so always check that for every time, but that is the biggest mistake I've seen a lot of people do. Amazing how many people hate this, guys. It actually is amazing, because a lot of people just assume it works. No, make sure it works. You know, with the preview, make sure you click on it. And I don't mean in a bunch, not just in this system. I mean in like a bunch of emails people send, the link doesn't work. It's amazing how many times that happens. So make sure to check, guys. Happens all the time. But yeah, you could just pause the video, copy all of this. If you want to copy it, yeah. Or you could just type in ChatGPT to write. ChatGPT wrote these emails, by the way. I ain't write these. ChatGPT did. I spruced them up a little bit. Like I put some put these emojis in here, and board. This I did a little something here and there just to spruce up the email, make it look a little better. But generally, you want to go for very short emails. I think that works a lot better. Short, talking about, hey, making money. I think those work really well with this system. So it does depend on the email you're sending. Somewhat shorter works better than longer, is what I would recommend. So don't write long, intensive emails. Maybe just talk about, hey, I made money doing this, check it out. Something like that. Those type of emails work the best. All right, so we're gonna send the email and we are done. That's all we really need to do. Very simple, very easy, very quick. And if you guys really want to, let me just say this: if this is the easiest way to make money online that I found, period. All right, now if you really want to super scale promoting this product, right, the best method right now that I see working over and over again without too much work is posting shorts. The reason why I say that is that YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram all promote shorts way harder than they promote videos, longer form content. So just make a bunch of shorts. Like, I made a new account and just made a short. It immediately got like 1,000 views. Like, it wasn't even like a good short. It was just like real simple-ish. So you don't even need to really make very good shorts and it can blow up. So the idea is to flood the market. Keep posting shorts. Make 3 or 4 a day. And eventually on one of them sites, hopefully on YouTube. You want it to be on YouTube. YouTube has a lot more purchasing power by the audience. So you want it on YouTube. But any one of them, they go viral, you don't have to worry about money again. All right, guys. So because this is a system that pay by the month, so you won't have to. Once you got them people in your system, you just sit back and let the money go in. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.